The aspects of the work that I do now that are most challenging are really with the kind of imperfect data and not knowing the answer and being comfortable with that. And you're thinking, well, how do you become comfortable, particularly when you're dealing with lots of money and different people's money, when you don't know all the answers? Well, the trick or the secret of all of finance and Wall Street is there is no perfect data. There is no perfect picture. There's no perfect economic situation. There's no perfect outcome. There's no predetermined way things will unfold or happen. Life happens to everyone. And so how do you know the right answer? How do you know the right investment to make? How do you know the right investment to divest of? And I think that comes from knowing what you don't know and accepting that these are the imperfect pieces of the data and being fully aware and educated into what you think you do know. So being prepared. So if there's a question, you have the answer to support your decision. It's not, you might have a gut feeling, but then you have to research to support your gut because some people need the research or need the numbers or need the data. You might know intuitively, but you have to do the work. And so do your work to support your decisions. And then when the decisions aren't exactly what the report says or exactly what you feel, then you go back and forth on the data, and go back and forth on what your feelings tell you, what your intuition tells you. I think we discredit intuition, but I think it's the core piece of us that is involved in our decision making. We discredit it. We don't trust it. When the more you're able to trust the truth in yourself and the answer's there, you might have to again put the data around it, but it's there. It's already with you. And you bring it forth and trust it and then just support it. I think that's the best way that I can think to overcome the more challenging parts of what I do.